I have the pleasure of leading the high potential development experiences for colleagues who have been identified as having potential to be in roles of expanded responsibility, particularly right now as we go through, the circumstances created by this pandemic with great challenges and also great opportunities. The fact that we agreed that we needed to bring more science into the way that we are helping these high potential colleagues gain a better perspective on what they need to get better at and what are the strengths that they can leverage, but also help them focus on specific development actions. We needed to create a tool that was able to support us our goal to reach more colleagues in the organization, even though it's going to have some specific characteristics depending on the target population that you are working with, has also some commonalities. So you can, build on the investment that you're making and expanding your reach. Everybody needed, specifically for a pharmaceutical company, all the effort and the energy and the focus is dedicated to that, how to contribute, how to find a vaccine, how to find more medicines, etc. So we need to be very smart in what we were asking these participants to do and how much we were asking them to invest, and also allowed the participant to include some flexibility in the way they were approaching to the experience of the assessment. What is the type of values that we all need to demonstrate, and what are those specific behaviors that we need to demonstrate to be successful in this business and to bring Pfizer to the leadership position in bringing health to our patients? That provided a framework, right? Kind of a new way of understanding leadership, and also created the need to align whatever learning experience we were creating to those values and those behaviors. We also reach more colleagues, but in other levels in the organization, but going deeper and reaching out for those hidden gems that are other and all the areas of the organization. We have been working with BTS for a while now, basically supporting this high potential development experiences through working the business simulations, partnering to create an assessment that also help the participants on those learning experiences have a more accurate representation of what are their strengths and their development needs. BTS was our partner to do that because we were able to build an assessment that combined an experience that was highly customized for Pfizer with a picture of how they are demonstrating those values, those behaviors, and especially when they are leading in the organization, but also help them at the same time define some priorities and make them think about what does our high potential colleagues need to demonstrate on a daily basis as well. So help reframe their thinking about what is a high potential and what am I expecting from them, and what do I need them to be really good at and be even role models, and what is the experience of being in a pharmaceutical company like this one, facing all the challenges and also all the opportunities that come from being in those positions. It has been a pleasure to work with BTS over the last few years. First with their support and their partnership, offering high potential development program participants the opportunity to go through a business simulation and learn more about the pharmaceutical industry and definitely expand their business acumen. But now discovering that they bring the same level of rigor and knowledge that they have about the pharmaceutical industry to the assessment field was really a very nice experience. And especially the level of partnership and understanding that they have is one of the keys for the success of the experience. We are getting a lot of positive feedback from the participants and from other stakeholders that we have in the organization that are following up on how this experiment is going and what are the benefits that we're getting from this assessment. We're very happy to see not only the results of the surveys that has been conducted to ask the participants what is the experience like and how helpful it was, and of course the key question, which is would you recommend this to someone else? And the results have been very, very positive, outstanding, saying how fun the experience was, how helpful, and how the experience helped them realize and gain more awareness about their own behavior or the way that they were approaching to different challenges in the business, and the fact that they enjoyed the opportunity to be put in the shoes of a leader, at a higher level than them, and have the opportunity to learn from that and experience that. And we're actually now seeing that it's going to be adopted by other areas that want to bring this opportunity to other colleagues as well.